Guys, the melting pot saved the best for last. We are celebrating here on Cup of Joe 100 years of creating moments with Betty Crocker. I'm so happy to be part of the celebration of Betty Crocker's 100th year. So many families over the years, Betty Crocker would have had such an impact on creating wonderful, wonderful moments. To share these wonderful moments and so much more going into another 100 years, today I have with us one of our esteemed cake artists here on Cup of Joe. Noresha Shairsingh is with us of Celebration Cakes. Noresha, welcome.
Thank you.
I'm so glad you chose to be part of the celebration here with us on Cup of Joe.
It's my pleasure. And I myself have had moments created by Betty Crocker in my younger days, earlier days, starting baking and developing my love for baking. You know, it has always been so easy and accessible to use. So yeah, I have had many baking adventures starting off with Betty Crocker.
Oh wow, that's so fantastic. So you're going to have another adventure with us today.
Oh, yes.
So let's get cracking. Let's head across and see what Noresha has in store for us. So first of all, Noresha created this wonderful showpiece of a cake celebrating 100 years of Betty Crocker. And this is
just French vanilla Betty Crocker.
Right.
And it's covered with buttercream, and I thought, decorated with mini cupcakes since it's a celebration of baking.
I'm seeing the mini cupcakes, right? The mini cupcakes. That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. So congratulations to the entire Betty Crocker team all over the world, all the homes that's celebrating Betty Crocker for 100 years. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. We are here now to do something a little special with Betty Crocker to close things off.
So today we are making Cakesicles.
What is that?
You might have heard of Popsicles.
Yes.
Okay, so this one doesn't melt. This one is actually made of cake.
You serious?
And covered in chocolate.
You serious?
Yes. It's a hit at all the parties for little children. Little kids love anything on a stick.
This is so cool. So you're making this now for us?
Yes. And we are actually making it very easy.
Right.
By using a Betty Crocker cake, which I baked using the instructions on the box.
Right.
Just plain and simple.
So easy.
And I am going to put on a pair of gloves to get my hands into this. I'm going to crush the cake and get it into a pasty consistency so that we can form it into the shape using this mold. So you just get in there.
Oh, and you just mash up the cake.
It's therapeutic.
You just destroy the cake.
So now I'm going to add some melted chocolate, or you can use Betty Crocker frosting. This is actually just melted chocolate.
White chocolate.
It will help our cakesicles to hold together.
Right.
Once this dries up, it gets firmer and frosting.
Right.
So I just want to get this where it can form a ball.
Yeah. How you feel about mashing up the cake though?
As I said before, it's therapeutic.
It's therapy.
Yes.
I mean, you bake the cake and then you destroy it.
Sometimes I can ask Evan to do this part for me.
Yeah. The kids would love it. The kids would love that. I'm seeing how it's coming together.
So I'll take like a little ball like this.
Right.
Maybe a little less. And I'm going to take this over to my mold. There's a silicone mold, and make my little cakesicle form here.
Okay.
And then we take a popsicle stick and feed it through here.
So you can actually do this with any type of those shape molds that they sell.
Yes.
Yeah, you can. Oh, that's so cool. The big kid in me just came out there a little.
And I can keep going. But we have some already made in the fridge because this has to be chilled in order to remove properly.
Right. How long it stays in each other?
Just 15-20 minutes.
15-20 minutes.
So we have some that we did before, and so these now are ready to decorate. So again, this is melted white chocolate. Since we're going with Betty Crocker's colors, we're using a white base, and I have some beautiful red sprinkles and some red drizzle we're going to put on top to get an effect like that. So with this chilled cake on a stick, we're gonna dip it right in the chocolate. Make sure it's all covered. Remove it and kind of take off some of the excess chocolate to the back. And you can rest it back in place to dry.
I think I want to have it for my next birthday party.
Good. So being that these were so nice and cold, they will firm up fairly quickly. And now we're gonna do some fun stuff, which is bringing in the red Betty Crocker color, this festive celebration that we are enjoying today.
100 years.
And I'm going to go across like this with just some lines. And add some of these beautiful sprinkles, white, gold, and red. Just like that. And we have a special logo here. So if you are doing a kid's birthday party, and let's say it's Spider-Man or Batman or Roblox or whatever, you can get an edible image.
Right.
You can order it from the local cake supply stores. They do edible printing and so on, and have a little disc of your theme to come through there.
You can have so much fun with this.
Yes.
You can have so much fun with it. Isn't that
And
cool?
of course, with just the drizzle and the sprinkles, they're festive and beautiful,
Wow.
even without anything more.
Wow. So can I actually take a bite into one?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Because I told you you brought the big kid. Can I eat the one you just did?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is so cool. Noresha, I want to thank you very much, of course, for dropping by. You're going to do out all these because all the guys watching and they're going to get jealous of me eating my Cakesicle with all Betty Crocker products.
Have you ever heard of Cakesicle?
I have never heard of cakes. This is a cake on a stick.
Yes.
I have never heard of a Cakesicle. I need to tap into my childhood days again. This is so creative, so wonderful.
Enjoy.
Yeah. And one of the things I really want to just thank the folks at Betty Crocker. I did not recognize the wide range of stuff. I mean, Noresha is here showing off all these wonderful cake creations. But as you know, if you followed the melting pot on our series this summer, we were celebrating our melting pot, and I did by Betty Crocker saltfish pancakes. They have a beautiful pancake mix.
Wonderful, yes. I have used their pancake mix.
They have a pizza crust mix.
I have used that.
You have used. You are Miss Betty Crocker. You are.
When you are a mom, you have to find ways to do things quickly, and sometimes Betty Crocker saves the day.
Wow.
Pancakes, pizza crust, cakes, cakesicles.
So 100 more years of Betty Crocker. So 100 more years of Betty Crocker.
I think I'll have a bite with you.
You have a bite with me. Oh, this is so cool.
How about that chocolate?
Sorry, we have to go, guys, but I have to eat and finish this off. Congratulations to Betty Crocker. 100 years of creating moments across families, across Toronto, and across the wider world. We want to congratulate them and thanking them for dropping by here on A Cup of Joe and celebrating. We'll see you back here very, very soon, guys. Stay with us. Our melting pot is brought to you by Betty Crocker, celebrating 100 years of creating moments.